Hi everyone, I wanted to record a quick video to show how I got the static rendering to work within PayloadCms. So there's a couple of things that you need to do. First thing is to adjust the Nextjs config. I've added a build mode static environment variable just to be able to control whether to render it statically or not. I added the page extensions in the next config. And then whenever I want to build it statically, I then output export, define the destination there, disable the image optimization because that was causing issues. And then I add these page extensions. It's a tip I got from a guy on GitHub. I can link to his GitHub later. And yeah, so that's the first thing you got to do. I'll share the Nextjs config with you guys as well. And then I built a script, or I had the AI build a script which basically moves the payload specific files which we cannot use or don't need during the static build. So mainly this moves the payload folder, but it also moves the API folder that we have here and the next folder into a backup directory just temporarily during the build. Then when I tried building it, I always got this error that, some routes like the post slug route was missing the generateStaticParams. And it's a very confusing error message because the function is there and it's definitely not missing. The problem is that it was returning an empty array, and that's basically causing this error message, which is the confusing part. So you definitely gotta have a post within your database. I don't right now, that's why it was failing here. And you can see here, the post is returning an empty docs. So make sure that you have the params for every page that you wanna render, that there's some data in there. And also I had to set this to true, the overrideAcces to true. Yeah, so let me quickly add a post so that I can show you that this is actually working. Let me just create a test page, publish that, and then we go back here and we run the build script, which then moves the files, as you can see here. So then not part of the static site anymore. And here you go. So you can see that the one page I have in payload, which is the impressum page, I can show you real quick. Oh, no, I can't show you, it's not running. But yeah, I added this one page, added this one post, and yeah, also the page numbers are rendering correctly here as well. So yeah, this seems to be working fine now. As you can see in the output folder, which I defined, you get the post pages, the test page that we just created, the impressum page, all as HTML files. Yeah, hope it helps you. Hope it saves you some time. If you have questions, just shoot me a message.